New Xiaomi security camera with smart motion tracking rolling out. The Xiaomi Smart Camera C302 has begun rolling out across multiple European markets, bringing an affordable yet feature-rich indoor security solution to smart home users. Developed by Xiaomi, the new smart camera was initially spotted on the company's global website in October 2025, sparking interest among tech enthusiasts and smart home users. Since then, the device has gradually appeared in several European countries, expanding Xiaomi's growing portfolio of connected home security products. Most recently, the Smart Camera C302 became available through Xiaomi's official online store in Spain, where it is priced at €34.99. The device is also listed on the Xiaomi Store UK website for £27.99, making it one of the more budget-friendly smart security cameras currently available. In addition, customers in several European Union countries such as France, Italy, and Germany can purchase the camera through Amazon, where it is typically priced around €29.99 depending on regional availability and promotions. Designed specifically for indoor surveillance, the Xiaomi Smart Camera C302 offers a solid set of modern security features aimed at improving home monitoring and safety. The camera captures footage in 2K UHD resolution, delivering sharper and clearer images compared to traditional 1080p security cameras. Its 3-megapixel sensor ensures improved detail when monitoring rooms, entrances, or living spaces. One of the standout features is its advanced night vision system. Users can choose between full-color night vision for enhanced clarity in low-light environments or switch to infrared night vision using 6 built-in infrared illuminators that allow the camera to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Another key highlight of the Smart Camera C302 is its intelligent motion tracking capability. The camera supports smart detection technology that can recognize both humans and pets, automatically tracking their movement across the room. With a pan range of 360 degrees and a tilt angle of up to 107 degrees, the device can monitor a wide area without leaving major blind spots. Beyond standard motion detection, Xiaomi has also included additional smart monitoring features such as crying baby detection and abnormal sound alerts. These functions make the device particularly useful for parents who want to monitor infants or for homeowners who wish to receive alerts about unusual sounds inside their homes. The camera also integrates two-way voice communication, allowing users to speak directly with family members, pets, or visitors through the companion mobile app. For privacy-conscious users, Xiaomi has incorporated a physical lens shield that can be activated manually or scheduled automatically to cover the camera lens when monitoring is not required. Connectivity is another strong point of the Smart Camera C302, as it supports modern Wi-Fi 6 networking along with Bluetooth pairing for easier setup and stable connections. The device works with app-based remote controls and also supports voice command integration for hands-free operation. Featuring a clean white design, the camera can be placed on a tabletop or mounted to the ceiling, offering flexible installation options for different home environments.